All right, in this video I'm going over page 237 in the Go Math textbook. So if you don't have it out, go ahead and get it out now and follow along. Remember, at any time during the video, if you have any questions, please pause and raise your hand and I can help you out. All right, again, just like before I start reading anything, this conversion chart is going to be an important one. You're going to need this information. So you may want to write this information down somewhere where it's quickly and easily available to you. But of course, if you want, you can have it here on the video and come back and reference the video each time. Or you can turn to page 237 in your Go Math textbook to find this conversion chart whenever you need it. But you're going to be using it time and time again. So you're going to want to have it somewhere where you can access it quickly and easily. All right, let's get started. The weight of an object is a measure of how heavy it is. Units of weight in the customary measurement system, so the customary measurement system includes ounces, pounds, and tons. The largest pearl ever found weighed 220 ounces. What was the pearl's weight in pounds? That's our question. How are ounces and pounds related? Well, if we come up here, we can see this relationship between ounces and pounds right here in our chart. And we know that 1 pound, and we can abbreviate pound using LB. LB is pounds, so 1 pound equals 16 ounces, OZ, and there's the abbreviations here. Ton, big T for ton. Will you expect the number of pounds to be greater than 226 or less than 226? Explain. Well, we would expect them to be less than 226 because every 16 ounces is only 1 pound. That's LB's 1 pound. Okay. So convert 226 ounces to pounds. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So use our rate, 1 pound to 16 ounces. Okay. And then we're at ounces, but we want to get to pounds. So pounds need to be... we want pounds along the top. That's why we have pounds along the top here. 1 pound is 16 ounces. Multiply. I can cross simplify out those pounds like we've seen in our math on the spot videos and in these videos as well, where we cross simplify ounces to ounces. Okay, and then we multiply. 226 ounces times 1 pound is going to be 226, and then 1 times 16 is 16, and then we just need to simplify this. Okay, now this is an improper fraction. Notice my denominator though is 16, so I know I've done that part correct. So I need to divide the denominator 16 into the numerator 226 to find out how many whole pounds that is. 16 can't go into 2, but it can go into 22 one time. 1 times 16 is 16. Subtract gives us 6. Bring down that 6. So now we have 66. So 16, that's about 20. So I would expect about 3 times, maybe 4 times it will go in. Let's try 3. Actually, let's try 4. I'm going to try 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 6, so 64. So 4 works because 64 is less than 66. So it goes in 4 times. 4 times 16 is 64. We just did that math right here. Subtract gives us 2. And since we're not dealing with decimals, we're dealing with fraction, I can just bring that remainder up, and my denominator stays the same. So 14 whole pounds and then 2/16 of another pound. And 14 and 2/16 is 14 pounds, and then since it's out of 16, we know it's 2 ounces. So 14 pounds, 2 ounces. So the largest pearl ever weighed 14 pounds, 2 ounces. All right, the next part, same idea. The world's largest emerald ever found weighed 38 pounds. What is its weight in ounces? So this time we want to get to ounces, so ounces, that's why ounces are on top this time. So 16 ounces to 1 pound. And then I just multiply. I have 38 pounds times my ratio, 16 to 1. And 38 pounds is the same thing as 38 over 1. And then 16 over 1 pound. So my pounds can cross out. And I just multiply. 1 times 1 is just going to give you 1 at the bottom. So to get the numerator, or the top, just 38 times 16. So I multiply the 6 times everything. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22. Done with the 6, add my 0 placeholder. And then 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 3 is 3. Add that all up. 8, 10, 6. So 608 ounces. So the emerald weighed, once again, 608 ounces. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next video.